time in a JDM car. Never gets old. It's been a minute since we've been to a little cars and coffee action, so let's see what's going on today. This will never get old. That rumble will never get old, ever. It ain't fast, but it's fun. One of these days I'll get my hands on an R35. I think it's pretty sweet. I'm pretty sure it makes like upwards of 1,000 horsepower. I think in my opinion, white is definitely the best color on the GTR, but that's just me. Got some pretty sweet Evos. I always love a nice clean Evo. First time in a JDM car? Well, this is goofy.
Yeah.
This is goofy.
Welcome to hell. Nice and hot.
Damn. Got the Nismo cluster?
Gotta pay for it, man. Gotta pay for it.
How much you pay for it?
Retail.
Oh, this is a lot smaller than I thought.
Oh yeah, bro.
I don't know how you fit in this car, bro.
I fit just enough.
Ain't nobody fitting back there. Are you kidding me? Why do they even have seats back there?
I sat back there before.
Really?
It was 3D. Two of my boys were driving. I was in the back. He was in fucking class together and shit. Dangerous, boy.
Yeah. But it does not sound like a four banger, bro. Dude, that compressor surge is so good. You gotta be.
I'm about to say, I'm not new to slow cars.
Bro, the turbo sounds insane.
That's why everyone thinks like, yeah, bro, you got it built, or that's a aftermarket turbo. I was like, nah, bro, this is stock.
You're stock, right?
Yep, stop.
I guess it's still kind of fucked up.
Take it off here.
Yeah. Sorry. Dude, it sounds so good. Oh, wait, right here, left. All right, sorry. Steering wheel screwed me up, man. you drive your car?
I drive the fuck out of it. I drive the fuck out of this car. That's when people say, oh my God, you really drove it all the way to Phoenix? Like, yes.
I mean, what else are you gonna do with the car? Are you not gonna drive it?
Nah.
Yeah, that's good. And you are on low life, bro.
I'm not even low enough.
You're not low enough? But this thing is so sweet. It makes me want a JDM car so bad. I need to go to Japan and just buy one.
You do.
Just buy one.
It's so much cheaper.
And they're not that expensive. So sweet. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but the pearl in this white is crazy. It is crazy. This thing is so clean. The thing is actually so fun. I just need to go to Japan and get a Japanese car, for real. You know what I mean? Just gotta do it. There's just something to be said about like real JDM cars like that actually came from Japan, right-hand drive. They're just like, I understand why everyone loves them so much, because I want one now. They're so cool. The only other thing I had planned for today was to do an oil change on the STI. It's time to do that, but for that, check this out. So in the last video, the garage was basically nothing. It was just the concrete slab with a stem wall surrounding, and in a week, we almost have all of the walls built. They got all the scaffolding up, and it's going fast. I think that this garage is gonna go up a lot faster than I thought. Definitely before the end of the year, and we'll definitely be in it, like actually working in it in the next couple months, so I'm super excited about that. It is gonna be a really big space. Well, I won't say really big, but it's gonna be a big space for us to work. Like I showed down there at the detail lounge at that meet that we were just at, I really wanna get some super bright lights like they had down there. I really light this place up because, like I said in the last video, this space is just too dark. So combination with bright walls and flooring with some really bright lights, I think it'll be an awesome place to work. But I am super stoked with how fast that this is going up. The guys have been really hard at work all week on it.